What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, guys, I have some products that I'm going to be, reviewing and possibly giving away and or selling for you guys. So if you guys seen the last video, I told you guys I was going to get a new shift knob, which I did. So here's the shift knob. So it's a neochrome shift knob I got from Top Label. Once again, always hooking it up with the merch. And yeah, so as you can see, if you guys have a S550 model Mustang, you will see that it does not have the hole for the lockout collar. Now that is not going to work. It's not going to work for my shift knob. So hopefully if this focuses. It's actually a really nice neochrome shift knob. It's metal, and which is not good, especially for this Arizona heat. It's good. I like it, but either I'm gonna give this away and or sell it to somebody. So if you guys are interested in a neochrome shift knob, go ahead and drop a comment and get back to me. Or you guys can follow me on Instagram, which is at focus200m, and just DM me, and you guys can get the shift knob for a very cheap price. I also have these two fog light and tail lights. Let's see which ones these are. So this one is the fog light that I just got from this company right here. Anyway, it's a fog light, and if you guys have the H8s with the COB chips, yeah, I'm gonna be selling those as well. These ones are the headlights as well. These are the they don't even say, honestly, but they don't fit in my Mustang at all. They are the 9006s with a COB chip on them. Pretty bright. I test fitted them on the Mustang, but they just don't fit. Yeah, these two are for sale along with the neochrome shift knob, and the shift knob does come with the attachments that screw onto your shift knob. So if you guys drive a manual car and you guys want a new shift knob, go ahead and DM me, shipping and everything. We can talk about a price later on. But yeah, these two don't fit my car. If you guys do know of any headlights that do fit, or headlight bulbs I should say, that fit for the S550 Mustang, which is funny because it actually has a S550 on the front and it doesn't even work. So yeah, here, let's open them up and so you can see the difference. They're freshly packaged. I only used one for the install that I did that didn't work. So this one is the fog light, or the headlight. You guys can see that. Yeah, so that one, and then you have this one as well. So yeah, both packaged really nicely. It's just yeah, they don't fit my car. I don't know how to make them fit. But yeah, today is going to be a pretty cool video. I think I'm going to go get me a K&N filter, and I'm going to show you guys how to drop that into your guys' cars. And just like I did in my other car that I had. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the rest of the video. Alright guys, just got the air filter from, whatchamacallit. Dang, why is my lens so dirty? Hold on, give me 1 second. Okay, just got the lens from, or not the lens, the air filter from AutoZone. It was about $62, give or take some change. But let's go ahead and drop this bad boy in here, feel the differences, and I will give you guys my input, just like I did on my last video, which would be somewhere up here on the K&N air filter that I did. I am not going to do a airbox delete because I can't technically. You'll see the setup in a second once I get the tripod all up and everything. But basically, simple drop-in air filter. A lot less restrictive, maybe 1 to 3 horsepower difference. It's just out here, I need the better airflow, especially because it is so hot. Yes, I already know more hot air is going to be getting through the car, but it's going to be okay, guys, because I will be upgrading the intercooler soon, and then the turbo once I pay off the car more. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys. Let's get this tripod set up. Alright, so pop off these two clips right here. Right here. They're located right here on the very top. You're gonna pry this bad boy back and then up. Gonna move this out of the way, make sure you do not mess up your sensor. And as you can see, you have your air filter. So let's go ahead and pop this bad boy out. And if you have a vacuum or something like that, you can obviously clean out anything that's inside this cabin. It's pretty clean right now. So let's go ahead and open up our new K&N air filter and drop this bad girl in here. Now if you guys have seen my other videos, you would know that I put one in my 2017 or 2015 actually Ford Focus. So it's already pre-oiled, and then I also did a video on how to recharge it. So if you guys want to learn how to recharge it, go ahead and go to that video, which should be on the screen as well. And then we can go ahead and pop this bad mamma jamma up in here. Now this plastic is pretty frail, so make sure you don't have any plastic on your hands. You don't want that getting sucked up in your engine at all. So I'm going to just drop this bad boy in here. Direct fit, as you can see. And then you're just going to go back, slide these into the little slots that you will see in the very back right here. Sorry, my hand's in the way, but there's two little slots right here. You slide it in, and you push this. Alright, now that the filter's in, go ahead and, if you want to, it comes with those little air filter stickers, do not remove, so just in case if you sell the car or if you get it serviced. It also has the K&N air filter sticker that goes on the side of people's cars or in the back or whatever. I don't usually put those on, but that's just me. So let's go ahead and crank it up and see how it sounds. Alright, well that concludes this video, guys. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little new mod to the car. And yeah, there'll be many more coming up. Like I said, soon will be a new intercooler, turbo, downpipe, exhaust, as soon as I am done paying this thing off, which will be in a few years. And yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and please drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, share these videos. And yeah, once again guys, stay focused guys, be safe, and I'm out of here. Headshot.